just to get this is your new name. Okay, if you don't follow me, you are Bella Dash DED, my beloved. And because you are my beloved, and because I promised to give you a Louis Vuitton bag in the last vlog, which is Katie and Alexa, we already chose the winner randomly, and it's a she, and she's going to win this Louis Vuitton bag. But I'm not going to show it to you because I want her to be the one to show it to you. And the winner is...
Marhay na aldaw po, Bicolanas, Bicolanos, and hello, beloved! Is an appreciation video to Dr. Vicky Bello, Dr. Hayden Ko, and to their beautiful and talented baby Scarlett, and of course to the whole team. Thank you so much, Dr. Vicky Bello, for sharing your kindness and generosity. And of course, to the whole team, to Miss IC for the patience po na binigay niya sa aking pangungulit kasi excited lang po talaga ako, Miss IC. I'm so sorry. And thank you po sa pag-update, sa pag-reach out po sa akin. And of course, I would like to thank the Lord because, of course, for blessing me this kind of things na napaka-imposible po na magkaroon ako and napaka-imposible po sa isang probensya na nakagaya ko ang mapili at magkaroon ng ganitong bagay. So, to share this to you, before the day na na-receive ko yung messages from Dr. Vicky's Instagram account, makakagaling ko lang po nun sa iyak. As in, iyak na iyak po ako kasi I was frustrated from the job that I applying. So, umiyak po ako ng umiyak noon. Talagang nagwa-one-on-one kami nung mami ko. Umiiyak ako na bakit ganyan-ganyan. And then, sabi ko, ginawa ko naman lahat. Ganun, as in, super iyak po ako noon. Then, that was, I think, around 7 to 8 in the evening. After 2 hours, like that, naka-receive po ako ng message from Miss IC. And, hindi po talaga ako naniniwala doon. Sabi ko, nag-story pa po ako noon, in-story ko na, is this scam or legit? And then, nakita ko po, pinag-stock ko po yung account na yun. And yes, may blue check, meaning po verified po yung account. And yun po yung real account ni Dr. Vicky. So, talagang nung nakita ko, iyak na naman ako. So, Dr. Vicky, this is so impossible talaga, as in napaka-imposible po. Kung baga sinasabi ko nga lagi sa post ko, sinasabi ko sa mga nakakakilala sa akin na millions of followers, millions of subscribers, and I am the chosen one. So napakaswerte po talaga. Nothing more to say but thank you so much, Dr. Vicky, and to the whole team. Thank you so much po. And of course, sa lahat po ng mga beloveds and magsusubscribe pa lang or mag-follow kay Dr. Vicky Bello, i-try nyo na din dahil malay nyo sa susunod kayo na din ang mabigyan ni Dr. Vicky at kayo na din ang i-bless nito. Yun lang. Thank you so much. And of course, to our Almighty Father, thank you so much, Lord, for you are indeed a loving Father, for comforting me, for blessing me with this. Thank you so much for sending these people. Thank you, Lord. And to Dr. Vicky and to the whole team, thank you so much. May the Lord continue to bless you and your family. And I am praying for your guidance and protections. Thank you so much, Doc. At sana po, hindi lang ako ang matulungan nyo at marami pa po. Thank you so much. I beloved you always. God bless po.